check out the stats on this EL10. It's got G10 scales, which have been really attractively shaped into this kind of like reptilian skin. It's got the pocket clip, gym pin there, you see the liners, stainless steel, the liner lock, gives you a good secure lock up. It's got an 8.9cm blade, and the steel is 8CR14 MOV. The Enlan EL10 is a really superb EDC pocket knife. Value for money defined as far as I'm concerned. It's got a liner lock, it's got G10 scales, and the G10 scales I really admire. They've got this carved type zigzag which then transforms into semicircular pattern. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got a very strong pocket clip there. It's not going to let you down. If I've not mentioned, the lockup is very good. You give it a good firm flick with a wrist and you're deployed. It comes very nicely sharp out of the box, hair shaving sharp. It's available from gearbest.com, and there's a link in the description box if you're interested in looking at it further. Thanks for watching this video. I come out with a new video every week, which is a gear review or something to do with the outdoors, bushcraft or survival. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.